How to fix the operation could not be completed error 0 into 709 or 709 shared printer. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Error 0x709 or 09 typically indicates an issue with the printer setup or connectivity. If this is the case, here are some of the troubleshooting that you can apply. Very first one is check for the printer connection. Ensure that the printer is properly connected to the network or directly to the computer via the USB cable. If it's a network printer, verify it's powered on and connected to the same network as your computer. Likewise, sometimes a simple restart of the printer can also resolve the connectivity issues. For this, turn off the printer, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back. If this does not work, you can also try to restart the computer once to refresh the connection. Likewise, next option is to check for the printer status. For this, you can either open the control panel or open the settings. Once you open settings, go to Bluetooth and devices and then to printer and scanners. Check if the printer status is listed as online. If it's offline, right-click on the printer icon and select Use Printer Online. Likewise, you can also update your printer drivers by visiting the manufacturer's website and then install the latest driver for your printer model. Likewise, another option is to check for the printer spooler services. For that, you can directly open the services.msc or press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab and type in services.msc. Hereby search for print spooler, right-click on it and then go to its services or properties. Once you go to the properties, you have to make sure that the startup type is selected as automatic. Then tap on apply and then on OK. After that, restart the computer and clear your print queue. After that, if you try to print again, it should probably work. However, if none of the options work, you can try to refer to printer's manual or manufacturer's website for instruction on how to perform a factory reset on the printer. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.